Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix battery draining fast in Android phone. So here we need to go to settings. You can search settings from apps or you can simply find it. And once you're here in settings, try to find any option which says battery. Now here, once I'll click on that, scroll down and see the power consumption rankings. See which all apps are using most of your battery. So if you do not use that, simply uninstall it and then scroll to your screen and look here where you uh, open your internet or other like Bluetooth. See for Look for battery saver. So turn it on the battery saver and this will definitely help. So two steps. The first one is to uninstall the battery hogger apps which you're not using it, and secondly, turn on the battery saver. All right. Please hit the like and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.